For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of humanity's most extraordinary scientific achievements, silently orbiting Earth like a watchful eye in the vastness of space, continuously reshaping what we know about the universe. It moves above our planet in quiet precision, acting as a silent sentinel that captures the cosmos one breathtaking image at a time, revealing what human eyes alone could never see. When it was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, expectations from the scientific community were already extremely high, but the true scale of its potential impact was still unknown. Few people at that time could have imagined how deeply it would transform human understanding of reality, not just as a tool, but as a revolution in how we perceive existence itself. Positioned far above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble escaped the distortion and blurring that normally affects ground-based telescopes, allowing it to achieve an unprecedented level of clarity in deep space observation. Stars appeared not as flickering points, but as sharply defined sources of light, each one telling its own distant story across time and space. Galaxies revealed themselves in astonishing detail, with elegant spiral arms, glowing cores, and vast cosmic structures that seemed almost artistic in their complexity. Nebulae unfolded like immense clouds of color and light, stretching across space in formations resembling cosmic paintings suspended in an endless dark void. Originally, the telescope's mission was straightforward and highly focused, to study distant galaxies, trace ancient light from the early universe, and better understand how cosmic structures evolve over time. However, as its capabilities expanded and discoveries accumulated, its role grew far beyond those initial expectations, evolving into something far more powerful and far more influential. It became not only a window into the deepest regions of the universe, but also a continuous observer of our own solar system and its ever-changing dynamics. Unlike short-term space missions that pass by their targets in brief encounters, Hubble offered something entirely different: long-term continuity and patience in observation. Orbiting Earth approximately every 90 minutes, it could repeatedly observe the same objects across months, years, and even decades, capturing subtle transformations that would otherwise go unnoticed. This extended time perspective revealed a profound truth. The solar system is not still or unchanging, but dynamic, evolving, and at times even chaotic. Although Hubble has certain limitations, such as its relatively narrow field of view that prevents it from capturing large nearby objects like the Moon in a single frame, it has consistently found innovative solutions to overcome these challenges. One of its most remarkable observational achievements came during the 2012 transit of Venus, a rare astronomical event where the planet passed directly between Earth and the Sun. Direct observation would have risked damaging the telescope's sensitive instruments, so scientists developed an ingenious workaround using the Moon as a natural reflective surface. Sunlight passing through Venus's atmosphere was reflected off the lunar surface and then captured indirectly by Hubble's instruments. By analyzing this reflected light, researchers were able to determine that Venus's thick atmosphere is primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with extreme pressure and harsh conditions. Even more importantly, this creative observational method became a foundational technique for studying the atmospheres of distant exoplanets beyond our solar system. Among nearby planets, Mars has remained one of Hubble's most important and frequently studied targets due to its proximity and dynamic surface activity. From its orbital vantage point, Hubble has captured full disk images of Mars, revealing seasonal changes that occur across its surface throughout its long year. It has observed shifting cloud formations, dramatic weather patterns, and the steady movement of atmospheric systems across the planet. The telescope has also documented the advance and retreat of polar ice caps, providing clear evidence of seasonal climate cycles on Mars. In addition, Hubble has tracked enormous dust storms that can grow so large they engulf the entire planet, dramatically altering its appearance from space. In 2001, one of the most powerful storms recorded completely blanketed Mars for months, hiding almost all surface details beneath a thick, swirling layer of dust. These observations fundamentally changed our understanding of Mars, showing that it is not a static or dead world, but one that is highly active and constantly changing. Hubble's observations extended far beyond Mars, reaching deeper into the outer regions of our solar system, where even small moons and distant bodies revealed surprising activity. One of its fascinating targets was Phobos, the small and irregular moon of Mars. Despite its size, it plays a critical role in understanding gravitational interactions. Hubble has shown that Phobos is slowly spiraling inward toward Mars, pulled by tidal forces that weaken its orbit over time. This gradual decay suggests a dramatic future. Either the moon will break apart under stress or eventually collide with the Martian surface in a distant but inevitable cosmic event. In the asteroid belt, Hubble completely reshaped our understanding of what was once considered a quiet and inactive region. Instead of a static collection of space rocks, it revealed a dynamic environment filled with motion and change. Some asteroids were observed shedding material due to increasing rotational speed caused by sunlight. This process can create faint, temporary tails, making these rocky bodies resemble comets. In other cases, Hubble captured evidence of violent collisions between asteroids. These impacts produce enormous expanding clouds of debris, sometimes forming unusual shapes as the fragments spread through space. Each of these observations confirmed that even ancient bodies in the solar system are still evolving and interacting. Farther out, Jupiter dominates the solar system with its immense gravity, acting as both a shield and a disruptor. It captures or redirects countless comets and asteroids, shaping the structure of the inner solar system. One of the most dramatic events recorded by Hubble was the collision of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 in 1994. The comet broke apart under Jupiter's gravity and struck the planet in a series of massive impacts. Hubble captured enormous fireballs and dark atmospheric scars, some larger than Earth itself, offering a rare and powerful view of cosmic destruction in real time. Jupiter's auroras add another layer of complexity. Unlike Earth's relatively smaller displays, Jupiter's auroras are vast and extremely energetic, created when charged particles interact with its powerful magnetic field. Hubble's ultraviolet imaging revealed enormous glowing structures that constantly shift and pulse near the planet's poles, showing the immense scale of its magnetic environment. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa stands out as one of the most promising worlds for scientific exploration. Beneath its frozen surface lies a hidden global ocean that may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Hubble has detected faint plumes of water vapor rising from Europa's surface, suggesting that material from this subsurface ocean may be escaping into space. These findings have raised strong possibilities that Europa could have the conditions necessary to support life. Even in the outer solar system, Hubble has continued to provide valuable long-term insights. It has observed Saturn's atmosphere, tracking massive storms and gradual changes in its cloud systems and rains. These slow transformations reveal that even gas giants evolve over time in subtle but measurable ways. Hubble has also studied Uranus and Neptune, two distant ice giants that remain largely unexplored since Voyager 2's brief flybys. Its observations have revealed shifting storms, bright methane clouds, and long-term atmospheric changes that unfold across decades. Because these planets change so slowly, continuous observation is essential to understand their behavior. After more than 3 decades in orbit, the Hubble Space Telescope remains one of the most important scientific instruments ever created. Its discoveries span from nearby planets to the most distant galaxies ever observed. But its greatest contribution is not just the data it has collected, it is the perspective it has given humanity. It has shown that the universe is not still or silent, but alive with motion, energy, and transformation. Worlds evolve, storms rage, moons break apart, and hidden oceans shift beneath icy crusts. And as Hubble continues its silent journey above Earth, It carries a profound message. The more we observe the universe, the more we realize how much remains unknown. Every image it sends back is not an endpoint, but the beginning of new questions, pushing humanity further into discovery. Because in the end, Hubble is more than a telescope. It is a bridge between humanity and the infinite universe, turning ancient light into understanding and turning curiosity into exploration. And somewhere within that ancient light, the story of the cosmos continues to unfold, endlessly waiting to be